Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2008 Toyota RAV4 with roughly 68,000 original miles on it. Today the vehicle was towed in because of a loud scraping noise, possible brake issue, and the tire light's flashing, and they also want a multi-point inspection. I'll say no more. Let's go around the vehicle. Brake fluid, we went through the history. It looks like the brake fluid has been changed within the past year and a half, which is very good. Battery, interstate, it's a good battery. Test good. We have topped off the washer fluid. Coolant, it's right where it needs to be. And yeah, there's some poo-poos. There's some dried up and burnt off PP. Top of the transmission, yep, there's lots of poo-poos there. We still yet have to inspect the cabin air filter. I don't see any eyes looking back at us. It's always a good thing. Well, you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. And I wonder what their noise can be. I wonder what their noise can be. Oh, I wonder what their grinding noise could be. Lots of flavor everywhere. Don't forget to brush your butt hair. I hope you don't have butt hair. How are the bushings? Yeah, they've seen better days. Oh, they got a brand new oil pan. And it's not leaking. Very good. Let's go a little further back. Because you know what happens when the further we go back. The further into flavor. Oh, Jesus. The further in. Oh, boy. We got a leaking shock. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Oh, now it's going to leak faster. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Is that a broken spring? I better not stick my hand in there. Wow. Let's not stick hands in there. Is it? Hold on. There it goes. Okay, no, it's not broken. It's just really, really compressed. Ugh. And then, wow. I must say, I don't know if I can get in there. I want you. Damn, I can't get in there. All right, I'm gonna try and zoom in the clip, guys. Let's zoom in right. Meow. So right in there, that's the ABS sensor, and it is caked with rust, with flavor. And then let's look at the. Whoa, yo. Whoa, I don't think there's. Wow. And then look at the tone ring. How is the ABS how's the ABS light? Oh, there's more noise here. You know what probably happened? Because this backing plate is all Bugatts too. Yep, there's a hole right there where the shoe pin holds it in place, and it's gone. That means the pin pulled through. So we need new backing plates. Oh man, and then look at the bolt holding in the caliper. This car has 68K on it, and it's looking like this. Looking like it spent 68,000 miles with the freaking Titanic back here. How's the other side? I bet it ain't any better. Nope. Wow. Wow, I better get like a screwdriver or something and start poking. I don't know if this subframe is even going to be safe. And then great googly moogly. It's even worse. That sensor no longer identifies as a sensor, but it's still putting out a signal. It's still putting out. Okay, great. And then look at the tone ring. It's still a ring. Oh, no, never mind. Wow. I have no idea. This is an automotive miracle, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody's watching this. It is an automotive miracle that the ABS light is not currently on. But watch, when I go start the car, it will be, because that's my luck. So we're gonna have to, yeah, they need a lot to get rid of their brake noise. And I'll hook up a tech stream, see what codes they have for the tire light. Damn, them bushings are, oh, this one's not even there. Piece of shit. Okay, all right. They're gonna need sway bar links. They're gonna need a freaking sway bar. Well, you know what? They just need a whole rear subframe at this point. If we're gonna start naming stuff, the only thing they're not gonna need is a differential, because it's freaking, I believe that's cast aluminum, and it's looking good. We could probably reuse the axles. E-brake cables are probably all Gugats, so they're going to break in there, so we're going to have to replace the e-brake cables as well. Well, this recall was done years ago. It's still holding up, not bad. But the only bad thing is, when you do that, there's no alignment. Oh, well, it all looks good up there. Alright, so backing plates here, but the hardware, so it's probably gonna, we're gonna want to replace the hub as well, because it's the same condition as this. Everything is rusted. And then the pads are about 2 to 3 millimeter. You see the abnormal wear on the rotor there. Same abnormal wear happening right here as well. And then the backing plate is donezo there. Backing plate's donezo here. Abnormal wear on the rotors as well. Wow, this knuckle is just that's a hairy knuckle. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.